Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 41 at 100 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Madam Deputy Chairman, I am glad that the 8th annual report of the National Small Industries Corporation Limited has been taken up for discussion today. I am one of those who sincerely believe that small industry has to occupy a paramount position in our economy. I do believe that it has to play a very vital and dynamic role in our economic growth and development. Some time passed when this matter was discussed in the parliament. I made certain observations in regard to the various matters which obstruct the growth and development of the small scale sector. Para change. Madam, our country is a country of small people, small traders, small entrepreneurs without much resources, and a country which requires very large effort to absorb the unemployed people, and this small scale sector provides a large scope for these unemployed people to get employment. Government has also declared from time to time that it does believe in the development of the small scale sector. I wish that it may come true, but unfortunately, I find that not sufficient steps had taken by the government in implementing the declaration. I have to point out that there seems to be no appreciation or understanding of the nature of the small units. I say this because small units have been mistakenly conceived as units of manufacturing only small items. Small units are small because in these units investment is small, machines employed are very few. But my point is that why these small scale units can only manufacture the small items when products of large scale industries can very well be manufactured by small units, and thus the small scale industries cannot be termed small in the sense with regard to cottage industries or village industries. So, this conception has to be clearly understood whenever we deal with small industries. Para change. Now, what are the problems in setting the small scale industries? Some attempts were made in the past, perhaps even by the National Small Industries Corporation, to remove the restrictions which were there. I also want to be assured by the government whether it is serious about removing these restrictions. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.